have discussed E of x, which is called the mean expectation of x. Now we are going to write the formulas for variance. This is a new term called covariance in terms of expectations. The next topic is we are going to write the formula for variance, covariance in terms of expectations. So you know that variance is being indicated with sigma square. Here onwards, for a random variable x, the variance is, we are going to use the notation v of x. V of x stands for variance of x. So in terms of mathematical expectations, its formula is nothing but v of x is equal to e of x minus e of x whole square. V of x stands for variance of x. Now we are going to write the formula for variance of x in terms of expectation as e of x minus e of x whole square. Now you know that the formula for sigma square is 1 by n in terms of sigma. We call this as the formula for variance in terms of sigma. This is the formula for variance in terms of expectation v of x is. So I think in the very beginning we did the formula for sigma square, theorem 1. If you go back to the very first pages after quartile deviation, while doing standard deviation, theorem 1 is nothing but this one, sigma square is equal to 1 by n sigma xi minus x bar whole square. We have simplified this and we got this as, I think after simplification we got sigma square formula as in this way. Similarly, we are going to find out the expectation, the formula for simplified form for variance in terms of expectation. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Let us expand a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now I am going to, we know that using the addition theorem, e of x plus y is equal to e of x plus e of y. It is for only two variables. If there are three variables or four variables also same. E of x plus y plus z is e of x plus e of y plus e of z. So this will be e of x square plus e of x whole square minus 2e of x into e of x. When we apply for e of x for this, I think 2 is a constant. You know that expectation of a constant is constant. We have done some results on expectations. E of cx is nothing but c into expectation of x. As 2 is a constant, I took 2 out of the expectation. So e of x into e of x. So I got e of x square. Okay. E of e is nothing but you won't get e into e square. E of e again you will get as again e of x only. It cannot be e square x square. Expectation of expectation. If you have triple expectation also you will get again single expectation. E of e is same. E of x whole square only minus 2. E of x into e of x is e of x whole square. So we have plus e of x square minus 2e of x square. So you will get v of x is equal to v of x square minus e of x whole square. This is the simplified formula for variance in terms of expectations. So we are going to do like for the expectation some results on variance. What are those means? Variance of a constant is 0. Whereas the expectation of a constant is constant, that is v of c as 0. So let us prove this. What is the formula for v of x? V of x is nothing but v of x formula is nothing but e of x minus e of x whole square. This is the formula for variance of x. If it is a constant, how much you will get? In place of x you will put c minus e of c whole square. What is expectation of a constant? Expectation of a constant is again constant. So 0. Always variance of a constant is 0. This is first results, and second one is nothing but variance of ax is equal to a square variance of x. So what we have done for expectation of Cx is nothing but simply C into expectation of x. Expectation of Cx is C into expectation of x. The second result on expectation is this. I think the constant is taken as it is, whereas in variance, whenever a constant is taken out of the variance, it will be squared. Means variance of ax will be a square variance of x. Let us prove this. What is the formula for variance of x? Variance of x is nothing but expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. Variance of ax means expectation of ax minus in place of x we have ax. So expectation of ax minus, what is expectation of ax when a is a constant? I think expectation of cx is cx. So a will be taken out. So again in both the terms we have a can be taken out. Again this is within the square. So it will be expectation of a square into x minus expectation of x whole square. Okay, so a square, whenever a constant, you know that expectation of cx is equal to c into expectation of x. So when you a square into expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. This is nothing but the formula for variance. So a square into variance of x. We got variance of ax is equal to a square variance of x. We are observing that whenever a constant is taken out of the expectation, it comes as it is. Whereas when a constant is taken out of variance, it will be squared. Another result on this is nothing but variance of ax plus b is equal to a square variance of x plus a square variance of x, where a comma b are constants. So let us do this also. A variance of, let us consider the LHS. What is the formula for variance of x? Expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. In place of x we have ax plus b. So it will be expectation of ax plus b minus expectation of ax means here in this formula I have substituted x with ax plus b. So expectation of ax plus b minus, what is expectation of ax plus b? Whenever a constant you will get expectation of ax minus, plus into minus will be minus expectation of b. So expectation of ax plus b, as it is a constant, whenever a constant is taken out of the expectation you will get as it is, minus what is expectation of a constant is again constant, expectation of b, plus b minus b cancels. So expectation of ax minus a into expectation of x whole square. So I think as it is a constant, again this constant can be taken out of the expectation. So you'll get a square into expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. This is nothing but the formula for variance of x. So we got variance of ax plus b is equal to a square variance of x. So from this results, what will be variance of 3x? 3 square into variance of x, which is nothing but 9 into variance of x. What will be variance of 4x plus 9? It is in this second form, 4 square into variance of x. As variance of a constant is 0, this term will be 0, 16 variance of x. So we are observing that whenever a constant is taken out of the variance, it will be squared. Variance of a constant is 0. Expectation of a constant is constant. Whenever a constant is taken out of the expectation, it remains same. Okay, thank you.